Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Today I Learned. You know, some foods make us happy, some make us full, and then there's onions, little veggie assassins that make us bawl like we just watched the end of The Lion King. Today, we're diving into why onions turn us into emotional wrecks and how to fight back against the tears. Let's chop it up. Meet the onion. Innocent, humble, but secretly plotting to ruin your day. So why does this little veggie hit us right in the feels? Well, it turns out onions have a defense mechanism because apparently they're not too keen on being turned into stir fry. Go figure. When you slice into an onion, you're basically committing a tiny vegetable crime. You break open its cells, releasing enzymes called alliinases. These bad boys mix with sulfur compounds to create something called, wait for it, synpropanethyl S oxide. Yeah, I know it sounds like a rejected Marvel villain. This chemical floats up and smacks you right in the eyeballs, reacting with the water in your eyes to form sulfuric acid. Your eyes freak out and go, hey, this hurts. So your tear glands crank up the waterworks to flush it out. But fear not. We got some tricks to outsmart this veggie menace. First up, wear goggles. Yeah, you'll look like you're about to go deep sea diving in your own kitchen, but fashion isn't the point here, survival is. Or you can chill the onion before cutting it. This slows down the chemical reaction, giving you more time before the waterworks hit. Another tip, cut it under running water or next to a fan. That way, the evil onion gas goes somewhere else like your neighbor's house. Sorry, Jerry, so there you have it. Onions cry because they're basically self-defense experts, but now you know how to fight back. Try these hacks and let me know if they work. Smash that like button if you've ever had an onion emotionally destroy you, and subscribe for more weird and wonderful facts. See you next time on Today I Learned.